stuff. Depending on what you're basing your fire cider on, you can kind of combine your own ingredients and make it your own. Hi guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. I'm Justin. Thank you for joining us today. We've had a lot of requests to make a fire cider, and it is cold and flu season. So we wanted to get you guys out a video and show you how to make your own at-home fire cider, all right? As always, I'm not a licensed professional, and this video is not intended to replace going to a licensed healthcare provider, okay? Now, what is fire cider? Fire cider is an immune boosting tonic, okay? It is good to take year round, but especially during cold and flu season. So all the ingredients today I got prepped beforehand. Everything is roughly chopped, okay? Cranberries are halved, the rose hips are halved. It's all rough chopped. Now, with all ferments, okay, everything needs to be super clean, okay? Because this can last for you for a year in a nice dark place in your pantry, and it'll be good. But it has to be clean. Okay, so just make sure you rinse all the citrus. Make sure the onions are clean. Everything's nice and clean. Okay, it's very important with ferments to have cleanliness. I'm gonna get started with putting the ingredients in. Okay, and I'll explain them as I go. First, I'm gonna add the onions and the garlic. Both have antibacterial and antifungal properties. They are both high in antioxidants, and they are both detoxifying, okay? So we're going to add the onions in first. Now this is 2 whole onions, and like you can see, I just rough chopped them, okay? Missing a couple of the jar there, we'll grab them in a second. There we go. Okay, now the garlic. It smells so good. Okay. Now the garlic, you can get all the skin peeled off, okay? Make sure it's nice and clean, and it can be smashed a little bit when you take the skins off, obviously, and it'll allow it to release more of the garlic, okay? This is gonna sit for 2 to 4 weeks before you drink it, and that'll allow all the flavors, all the vitamins, everything to kind of mend together into the apple cider and allow everything to blend. Next, we're gonna add the citrus, okay? Here I have 2 limes, 2 lemons, and 2 mandrans, okay? You're gonna wanna leave the skins on, okay? These are all high in vitamin C. The skins add the extra vitamin C. It's believed they contain 3 times the amount of vitamin C as the inner fruit, okay? So that's very important, okay? Okay, we got the citrus added in there. Next, we're going to add the rosemary. Now this is rosemary right out of our garden, okay? The rosemary adds antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, okay? There's several different other herbs you can add in. You can add sage, you can add oregano, there's different thistles you can add. A lot of them help with anti-inflammatory issues and other medical stuff. Depending on what you're basing your fire cider on, you can kind of combine your own ingredients and make it your own, okay? Next, I'm gonna add the hot peppers. These are serranos. You can choose habaneros. You want a spicy pepper in there, okay? Now, if you can't handle super spicy, you can cut it back a bit, but the capsaicin in the hot peppers increases your circulation, boosts your metabolism, and helps your immune system. And especially during cold and flu season, if you have a stuffy nose or a sore throat, it really will clear out your sinuses. It'll make you feel a lot better. All right. Next, we're gonna add the rose hips, okay? These are high in vitamin C as well. They aid in digestion. Best of all, they came straight from our garden, okay? Next, we're gonna add the turmeric, okay? Turmeric has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Get that added in there. Look at that color blend. Isn't that awesome? Okay, the cranberries. Now I have to the cranberries because they have such a thick skin. I want to be able to drink it more within that 2-week time period instead of the 4. So it'll allow the flavors to mend quicker. So we'll get these added in. These are powerful antioxidants, okay? High levels of manganese, potassium, and vitamins C and A. Next, we're gonna add my favorite ingredient, the raw honey. Now this is from our beehives from last season, and look at that. It looks amazing. I might need to get a spoon to scrape this out. All right, so with the raw honey, you get antibacterial, antifungal properties, soothes sore throats. It's always best to use local honey, okay, to keep with your seasonal allergies to help with that. And it's best of all, it came from our bees, and look how delicious that just, the color in there is crazy. I like to use our honey every year in my tea or sometimes even in coffee, and it really helps with the seasonal allergies. Okay, so these are elderberries. These are dried out. You can also get them fresh off of a elderberry bush, okay? These have antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, high levels of potassium, folate, calcium, iron, vitamin C, and A, all right? So we're gonna sprinkle these in here and get them all around. Okay, they got stuck in the honey. All right, so the final ingredient is our apple cider. Now this apple cider is pretty special because we made it right here in Kirshner FarmStead kitchen. If you look at the video link above, you can see how to make your own apple cider vinegar and do the same. It smells fantastic. We had a taste of it this morning ourselves, and it is just perfect. So we are going to add this in here, okay? Now the apple cider aids in digestion, fights infection, and clears out sinuses. So the combination of all these together make for a delicious, delicious drink. Now you can take 1 to 2 tablespoons a day or a shot a day, however you want to measure it, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to allow this to sit in a dark place for 2 to 4 weeks, okay? Now look at that. In 2 to 4 weeks, the flavor is going to darken. It's going to draw out all the good stuff out of everything we added today. And it's going to get all combined together, okay? And it's going to help you the next time you're sick or the next time you're feeling down and you need something to help bring you up for the day. This will help you out, all right? So thank you for joining us today on Kirshner FarmStead. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And we thank you for watching us. We love teaching you guys. And if you have any video ideas, let us know in the comments below. Have a good weekend, and God bless. Bye.